Hello food lovers, whether you're a seasoned home cook or just starting your culinary journey, I'm thrilled to welcome you to a brand new kitchen adventure. There's something magical about gathering around good food, and today, we're about to create a little bit of that magic together. Are you ready to make some real magic in your kitchen? With just a few simple ingredients and a sprinkle of creativity, you'll be amazed at what you can whip up in no time at all. Today, I'm sharing my absolute favorite 5-minute BBQ sauce recipe. A quick, easy, and delicious sauce that will transform your grilling forever. Whether you're planning a backyard cookout or just want to jazz up a weeknight dinner, this sauce is your new secret weapon. Imagine a rich, tangy homemade sauce that bursts with flavor, ready in less time than it takes to order takeout, and infinitely more satisfying. This isn't just any sauce. It's a game changer for burgers, ribs, chicken, or even roasted veggies. No mystery ingredients here, just simple, honest flavors you can trust. We're talking about pantry staples and fresh spices coming together in perfect harmony, so you know exactly what's going into your food. This is your express ticket to Flavor Town. It's fun, it's fast, and it's guaranteed to boost your kitchen confidence. You'll be amazed at how easy it is to create something so delicious from scratch. So, put on your apron, roll up your sleeves, and get ready to make barbecue history with me. There's nothing quite like the pride of making your own sauce from scratch. Are you ready to unlock the secret to the world's speediest, tastiest BBQ sauce? Trust me, once you try this, you'll never go back to store-bought again. Let's get started. The 5-minute countdown begins now. Grab your ingredients and let's dive in together. Your taste buds are in for a treat. What exactly is BBQ sauce, and why does it hold such a special place in the world of grilling and comfort food? It's the heart and soul of any barbecue. Thick, tangy, sweet, and bursting with flavor. Whether you're slathering it on ribs, brushing it over chicken, or simply using it as a dip for fries, BBQ sauce brings a rich, mouth-watering character to every bite. It's the secret weapon that transforms ordinary meals into unforgettable feasts. BBQ sauce comes in a dazzling array of styles: smoky, spicy, sweet, tangy, and even fruity. Some are thick and sticky, perfect for glazing, while others are thin and zesty, ideal for marinating or basting. Each region has its own twist, from the molasses-rich sauces of Kansas City to the vinegar-forward blends of the Carolinas. Today, we're making a classic all-purpose version that strikes the perfect balance of sweet, sour, and savory. It's a recipe you can use for just about anything: grilled meats, roasted veggies, or even as a bold sandwich spread. The best part? When you make BBQ sauce at home, you're in control. You get to choose every ingredient. No preservatives, no artificial flavors, just pure, honest taste. You can tweak the sweetness, dial up the heat, or add a smoky note to suit your own cravings. The freshness and vibrancy of homemade BBQ sauce simply can't be matched by anything you'll find in a store-bought jar. Each spoonful is packed with real, bold flavors that elevate your food to a whole new level. And let's be honest, there's something incredibly satisfying about watching your guests light up and ask, "Where did you get this sauce?" You get to smile and say, "I made it myself." Making your own BBQ sauce is a simple, rewarding way to elevate your cooking and impress everyone at the table. It's a small step that makes a big difference. So, are you ready to become a true sauce boss and take your barbecue game to the next level? Let's get started. Here's what you'll need. Nothing fancy, just everyday ingredients. Start with a good tomato ketchup for sweetness and body. Add Worcestershire sauce for savory depth and apple cider vinegar for a zesty kick. Brown sugar brings caramel sweetness and helps create that sticky glaze. Smoked paprika adds instant smoky flavor and beautiful color. A spoonful of mustard gives tangy complexity. Finish with garlic powder and onion powder for a savory base. That's it. Simple, and you probably have most of it already. Aprons on! It's time to get creative in the kitchen, and we're about to whip up something truly special. Whether you're a seasoned chef or just starting out, this recipe is so simple, anyone can master it. So gather your ingredients and let's dive in together. First, grab a mixing bowl and pour in 1 cup of ketchup. This will be the base of our sauce, giving it that classic tangy sweetness everyone loves. Make sure to use a bowl big enough for mixing, because we're about to add a lot of flavor. Next, add 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. This brings a deep, rich sweetness that balances out the acidity of the ketchup. If you like your sauce a little sweeter, you can always add an extra pinch. Now pour in 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. This ingredient gives our sauce a bright, zesty kick and helps cut through the sweetness, making every bite pop with flavor. Add 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce. This adds a savory, umami depth that makes the sauce taste like it's been simmering for hours, even though it comes together in minutes. Stir in 1 teaspoon of mustard and 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika. The mustard gives a gentle tang, while the smoked paprika brings a subtle smokiness, making your sauce taste like it just came off the grill. Sprinkle in half a teaspoon each of garlic powder and onion powder. These spices add layers of savory flavor, making the sauce rich and complex without any fuss. Now whisk everything together until the mixture is smooth and glossy. Take your time here. Watch as the ingredients blend into a beautiful, velvety sauce. The transformation is almost magical. As you stir, the sugar dissolves, the colors blend, and the aroma fills the kitchen. You'll notice the sauce thickening and becoming irresistibly shiny. It's hard not to sneak a taste already. Give it a taste and adjust if needed. Maybe a pinch more sugar for extra sweetness, or a splash more vinegar for extra tang. This is your moment to make the sauce your own. And just like that, you're done. In less than 5 minutes, you've created a sensational homemade BBQ sauce that's perfect for grilling, dipping, or spreading on your favorite foods. Take a taste. You're officially a sauce-making superstar. Share it with friends, or keep it all to yourself. Either way, you've earned some serious bragging rights. Homemade, quick, and packed with flavor, this sauce is proof that delicious things don't have to take all day. You made it from scratch, and it's better than anything from a bottle. Now let's see what you can do with it. Fire up the grill, grab your favorite foods, and get ready to impress. The 5-minute countdown is over. Let the feasting begin. Take a look. Deep, glossy, and flecked with paprika. Breathe in the sweet, tangy, smoky aroma. Summer in a bowl. Taste it. The perfect balance of sweet, tangy, and savory. Brown sugar and vinegar dance on your tongue, with smoky paprika in the background. The texture is thick and smooth, perfect for glazing or dipping. Every spoonful is a sensory journey. This is BBQ sauce at its best. Now, make it your own. Like it spicy? Add cayenne, chili flakes, or hot sauce. Prefer it sweeter? Stir in extra brown sugar, honey, or maple syrup. Want more smoke? A dash of liquid smoke does the trick. Try cumin for earthiness, black pepper for bite, or pineapple juice for a fruity twist. Taste as you go. Trust your instincts. The kitchen is your playground. Create your signature BBQ sauce. You've made liquid gold, now use it. Brush it on chicken, ribs, or burgers in the last minutes of grilling for a sticky, caramelized glaze. Use it as a dip for tenders, wedges, or party snacks. Marinate meats or tofu for extra flavor and tenderness. Spread it on sandwiches, wraps, or pizza for a smoky kick. Stir into baked beans or drizzle over roasted veggies. Once you start, you'll want it on everything. Enjoy every delicious drop. You made it.